Is this what you want? Boom!
It's a beautiful May spring day. What better way to celebrate than with a paper airplane? Behind this tranquil exterior is a paper airplane enthusiast. What happens when a 20-pound rat terrier mix meets a paper airplane? Let's find out.
That's a good paper airplane. She loves catching paper airplanes and tearing them up. Can I have it? Can I have it? I love ripping up paper airplanes. I want it. Yeah, I like how she keeps bringing it back to the exact same area. Ginny, you have more over there. Are you sure you're all done?
And this is how a paper airplane session usually ends. The humans cleaning it up. Don't lift the paw or anything.
Now what, Ginny? Back to squeaking my football.